Tools and their offerings. Today, we will cover the tools for Photoshop and their offerings for us. In today's visual world, photo editing is a vital part of creating compelling images. With a large number of options available, we shall here have an in-depth comparison of various photo editing tools and their unique offerings. First in our lineup is Adobe Photoshop, the behemoth of photo editing. It has long been an industry standard known for its extensive feature set, including layers, masks, filters, and advanced retouching tools. Photoshop is the go-to choice for professionals, offering unmatched capabilities. As you can see, Photoshop enables intricate and detailed image manipulations, making it a staple in the toolkit of many experts. Now, let's explore Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop's companion. Lightroom is specifically designed for photo organization, cataloging, and non-destructive editing. It's favored for its user-friendly interface and powerful presets, making it a top choice for photographers. Lightroom simplifies the editing process while maintaining image quality, making it an indispensable tool for photographers. For those who use mobile-based editing, Adobe Photoshop Express is a mobile-friendly solution. It offers simplicity and user-friendliness, making it ideal for basic edits. However, it doesn't match the depth of its larger sibling, Adobe Photoshop. We can use Photoshop Express for quick touch-ups and straightforward enhancements while on the go. Next comes the Snapseed, a free mobile app stands out by combining professional features with an intuitive design. It offers a versatile range of filters, tools, and styles, making it a fantastic choice for photographers. Snapseed provides a straightforward way to elevate your mobile photos, enhancing their quality and impact. Visco places a unique emphasis on filters. It's more than just an app. It's a community of photography enthusiasts. The filters are stylish, and the social features encourage sharing and creative exploration. With Visco, you can experiment with different filters, connect with a creative community, and enhance your mobile photography. Pixlr, as an online photo editor, is versatile and user-friendly. Its interface is somewhat similar to Photoshop, thus making it familiar to many. Pixlr offers a wide range of tools for image enhancement and manipulation. For those seeking a Photoshop-like experience within a web browser, Pixlr is a solid choice. What all we saw were just a few of the diverse photo editing tools available. From the powerful Adobe Photoshop to the user-friendly Lightroom, mobile options like Photoshop Express and Snapseed, the stylish Visco, and the versatile Pixlr, there's a tool to match your creative needs. The key is to choose the tool that aligns with your goals and preferences. Experiment with these options and discover which one sparks your creativity. Your artistic journey is as unique as you are. The canvas is open, and your imagination is your only limit. Start creating today and explore the world of possibilities these tools offer.